Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on crypto.com. And this tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are on your crypto.com, you will see all of your cryptocurrencies which you have and some other which you don't. So to sell it, you just basically need to go ahead and click on a coin. As you can see, I don't have a Bitcoin, so I cannot sell it here. But for example, I have Ethereum here and I can go ahead and sell it. So to sell it, you want to go ahead and click on sell option right there on one of those buttons, and then you're going to choose the currency which you want to sell. So for example, I want to sell Ethereum. You just basically click on it, and after that you will have an option to choose other coins, crypto coins. Another way would be to choose not the market order but the target price, which would let you to sell it for cash too, right here. And you will need to add a payment method here. So basically that's how you sell cryptocurrency. You can sell it either to crypto or cash. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.